individual attentions. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distract you from what is important. So you already know what these distractions are and you have the power and responsible to block them out. So sometimes maybe yung career mo need some attentions na yung ikaw na siya lang ang maging focus mo. So kung merong nagagambala sa iyo na kaibigan, medyo wag ka muna makipagkita. Kung sabihin na kasi nadi-distract ka or sabihin natin mga electronics, you might want to turn it off, no? Kasi these situations currently need a fully attentions, no? Para sa pagiging stable mo sa mga plano mo, no? Ayan. So, ayan, I hope na nagkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan sa maaari